Yeah. I'm gonna give him some cowboy boots in a minute. Hey, no, you forgot the paddle. Look, no hijinksing, no hijinksing. Oh, now you got to paddle up out of there. They left the paddle, man. Look, the paddle's on the ground. Yeah.
That is too
This is Seattle. This is what we look like. They say it was raining outside. Hold that thought. All right, look, they left the paddle behind. I can't go save their ass. Use your umbrella. You gotta get the paddle. Yeah, get the paddle. Come on, get the paddle. There you go. Come on. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on TV. You gotta have your fire marshal boots on.
You see the truss there, right?
Easy, don't capsize the boat. Here comes the delivery truck.
This guy kind
Hey, now here comes the mailman. Are you serious? The mailman said, hold up, wait a minute. Daniel Boone was a woman. Xena, the goddess warrior.
very lucky there's no Jersey driver like me on the road right now. I hit that puddle like a motherfucker.
Watch them long as they don't speed up in here. We can be waterproof. Come on now. Roll your boat. Come on, gently down the stream. Yeah. Come on, break bread. Yeah. We're losing water, the sinking ship. Taking on water. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the carnival. Don't have me come and rescue your beautiful ass. And don't fall down.
We don't have any of those round things. We just chuck it in.
Look, we got a couple eggs on the roofs. Do they float? I asked him, I said, what's that? Is that a temple or something? You know, I know the mosque people too.
That's two stoners messing around.
Okay, tripping and shit.
Yeah,
All right, look, say hello. Stand at attention. Oh, tell them you're safe now. Look at Mama, son. I gotta look at her boots. Oh, the boots. Look at it. Say cheese. Now you can take my picture real quick while you're here.
Right.
Yeah.
Door.
Damn, how you turn the damn thing on?
Yeah.
I gotta follow them all the way. Hey, when the kids at home see, they gonna be like, Mom, that was really you. Yeah, what was you doing? They was hanging out in the rain, man. Rain man. All right.